Day 2 in Edinburgh. We are about to do a free walking tour, and then I think we're visiting the castle later this afternoon. Yeah. You excited?
I'm very excited.
We've done
castles.
Yeah, you do. We've done a bunch of these free walking tours, haven't we?
Yeah.
They always seem to be really good. First stop, coffee, because we haven't had one this morning.
Yeah.
I think I need it.
I need it.
My brain's not working.
No.
Bit windy, Emma?
Yeah.
Alright, we've got to rub this toe for luck or something, I'm not sure.
Ooh, I'm lucky now.
I know it's not Brownie Friday, but I got a brownie to share. And I've also managed to find some ginger beer from Australia, so I'm very excited. We are halfway through the tour, just stopping for a bite of brownie. How are you enjoying it?
The tour?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's good,
really
isn't
like
it? She's really quirky and awesome. The stories she tells, very funny. I'm liking this one. And we're doing a castle tour this afternoon too, so oh yeah, it's going to be awesome. Edinburgh Castle, yeah. Alright, tour is over. We're now going to take a photo of a dog.
See Bobby.
Yeah, we're going to see Bobby. It's a famous dog. And then we're doing the castle tour.
Yay, castles.
They've given this dog the highest Scottish honour, and they've named a pub after him. About to go into the castle. Excited?
Yeah.
It's going to be fun. Here we go through the gate. Good tours. That's 2 good tours in a day.
Yeah, that's good.
They've
Very
been-
wind-blown though.
Oh, it was so windy. Any of the audio's bad, that's why. Alright, castle tour over. How was it?
It was very cool.
It was, wasn't it? I really enjoyed castle tours. Thank you.
Thanks.
We should see if we can actually stay in one on our travels. We're doing a bit of whiskey tasting. This is like the book of all their whiskies, it's crazy. So many whiskies here.
A large glass of Sauvignon Blanc as well, please.
Scott.
The house is a Column-Bard Sauvignon, so it's got a little bit of something else in it.
So we sat at that whiskey bar with plenty of time, had a whiskey, and then Emma's like, oh yeah, just down the road's the Bella Italia, where we're going for dinner. Turns out it was the wrong one, and the one we needed was in the old town, not the new town.
There's more than one Bella Italia in a city.
Exactly. So I've had to hightail it up the hill to the other one. I think we'll make it for dinner. I think we'll be fine.
Yeah.
Loving it. Alright, dinner's over. We are now going for a wander up to... Where are we going?
Carlton Hill.
Carlton Hill. Going to Carlton Hill to check out the view. Finished editing. Gonna go to bed.
You've got chocolate in your mouth. No.
Bye.